Alright guys, next step, after you get your joist hangers hooked up, you're going to have to nail them into the hangers itself. Now I'm using what they call hot galvanized spiral threaded patio and deck 10D 3-inch. Alright, I had these for many years, so I'm just using what I have when I built my shed. So before you go back to the store and buy a bunch of nails and stuff, check what you already have. You may have it. So again, a lot of these screws I'm using, I had a whole bunch extra that I'm using for this deck, so it won't cost me anything. All right, because I already have it on stock. So what I'm doing, guys, is pretty much just taking these things and they go in this little slot right here. Right here, and what I'm using is a little air hammer that makes it much easier to drive these in. So I have my compressor on. And that's it. Alright? So there's two on each side. So I'm gonna just go around the whole perimeter and get that done. So that's what you need to do. You can do it with a simple hammer, of course, but it'll probably take a little longer. But this is ideal. Again, I'll put a link below on this particular one. It hooks up to my air compressor. It's interchangeable. Ideal. Again, doing a job like this, you get a chance to take out all your toys and play with them. All right, and I had these for many years, and I'm glad I'm able to use it again. All right, so let me continue on with the time lapse and just keep it moving. All right, any questions, any comments, hit me in below. Again, this is the way I'm doing it. All right, in my skill set. There's other techniques you can do to get this accomplished, but the same thing. The point is, you know, more information you have, the more you can cherry pick on certain things you like and don't like and incorporate it in your tool bag. All right, so let me just set up the time lapse and keep this moving. Okay guys, I got everything in. This tool works well. Where it doesn't work too well on, just to let you know, if you got a knot in your wood, this falls short, so you're still gonna have to use the hammer occasionally. All right, but overall, it did go easy with this. I'm not overexerting myself, so it is a good tool to have in your toolbox. But again, if you hit a knot, you're gonna have to put this down and get the old trusty hammer. All right, and again, all this could be done with the hammer also just as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I got it all set up. It's all leveled. It's all plumbed. It's all squared. It's all that. All right. So now I just need, I'm setting up the gazebo. All right. I'm gonna put the gazebo up first so I can see where my brace is gonna go. But before I do that, I need to get the plans for my wife. All right, she's putting it in CAD now, so we'll understand on how we're gonna have this layout. All right, the idea is to get the gazebo up. With the gazebo up, then I'm gonna start framing for the outside kitchen before I even put down the floor joist. All right, so that's my idea. I'm hoping it works out. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, so I'm gonna end this now. Any questions, any ideas, any comments, please hit me down below. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys? Later.